John in St. Helens writes, Paul, I am curious to know, have you ever given consideration to manufacturing guitar-related products such as pedals, amps, pickups, etc.? You know, it's a huge recurring market, and they would be an advertisement for Paul and for PS Audio. So I'm curious to know, have you ever given consideration to manufacturing guitar products? It's an advertisement for your other existing products, and I think you could do a great job. Okay, well, no. I don't know anything about making pedals and all of that. What we have considered doing is, since we're very much involved in the recording arts, and that's kind of up our alley, and for Octave Studios, we have built our own DIs, which are direct inject things that go into instruments. We have built our own A to D converters. We have built our own systems, our own monitors, all that kind of stuff. And I've considered, maybe we get into the pro industry. And then I am reminded about how hard it is. So here's some advice for people from an old guy that's been doing this for 50 years. A great idea, a great invention is one thing, and you can build it and you can really float your boat. And like our A to D converters, that we have an 8-channel A to D converter that is killer. Better than anything on the market in the pro world, guaranteed, because we've got the best of the pro world. And this thing eats its lunch. That isn't enough to be successful at selling something. We've learned this through home theater products, which we used to make. Breaking into a market and becoming known enough where people buy things and trust you as a company to sell it, unless you have an entirely new category, to break into an existing market, where, oh gosh, Behringer, Pyramix, PreSonus, I mean, Manley, you go down the list, and lots of great established brands. And now you're going to try and compete with them just because you have a better mousetrap? Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. And I think what a lot of people don't realize is that success, look at PS Audio. We've done this for 50 years. What has it meant? Well, we've always made great products, but it's building up the trust, the recognition, to get people on board to say, yeah, I've heard of them. Yeah, my friends have it. Yeah, I trust them. And that takes a long time, a long, long, hard road. And honestly, I'm not interested in it. I think what we're doing is fun. We're having a great time at it. There's so much more we could be doing within our space. We've talked about it, a lifestyle speaker, I'm not going to bore you with all this stuff, but there's so much more we can do within our own space where people do trust us, where we have earned that trust over all these years. That's where I want to put our energies. All right. Thank you for the suggestion and the confidence, but I think we're going to stay out of the guitar pedal business. All right. Thank you. Talk to you all later. Bye.